Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a brand new video. Today is a very exciting video that I'm here filming for you guys because this is a really awaited box that I've been waiting for at least nearly 2 months now. You're probably watching this in May, but I'm filming this at the end of April. I just received the FAIRYLOOT's Chain of Gold collector's box. This is by Cassandra Clare. This is her new book. I was always very tempted to actually get the book from Book Depository because they were shipping them out and I wasn't sure if I was going to wait for this box to arrive, but I said to myself, I have enough books on my TBR that I can wait for this box to arrive and then read the collector's edition book in this little bad boy. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside this box, keep on watching. Okay guys, so FAIRYLOOT came out with this box, I think it was sometime in January, February, if I'm not mistaken, when the box was for sale. I'm not sure if it was January, February, it could have been December, I really don't know, but all I knew is I had to get it, I had to purchase it, and it took me a while to purchase it because nothing was working. I think on my phone it wasn't checking out, and then I went on my iPad and it checked out, so I was happy. This was about £35 and plus shipping, so it came to about, I would say, just under €50 for me to purchase. And since I'm a big Shadowhunter fan, I would be happy to get a collector's edition book, plus it'll be signed by the author, which will be signed by Cassandra Clare, which I don't think I even own anything signed by her, so getting this box would mean I'm just one step closer to having something stamped or, you know, signed by her, especially as her books are amazing, especially since I've read the Infernal Devices. I've loved her writing even more and more, so I was very excited to know that the Chain of Gold is literally what comes after the Infernal Devices, and it's the children and stuff. I'm just so excited to read this. Now obviously I could have bought the book, but I literally stopped myself and just waited for this to arrive, and so glad I did. I'm literally just received it 10 minutes ago, so I'm literally going to open it on camera with you guys. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Okay, so let's open it up. I love how big it is and that it's orange. Orange is one of my favorite colors, so let's open it. What does it say? Okay, those who don't believe in magic will never find it. Okay, that's a Roald Dahl. Oh, it's so okay. Everything's falling. I'm actually gonna put this on the side because everything's gonna fall out. So first thing I'm seeing is like a spoiler card. FAIRYLOOT in collaboration with Cassandra Clare, Chain of Gold box collector's edition, featuring an exclusive edition of Chain of Gold. So yes, come through. I don't know why this is not focusing today. There we go. So that has all the info on the back. So as per usual, we have some paper confetti, as I would call it. I'm gonna put it on the side because I really don't want to make a mess on on the floor, so I'm gonna move stuff around as one does. The first thing I'm seeing is this, which feels so nice. Okay, what is this? It feels like some sort of blanket, but it's massive, and this is just gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna open it and just see. So I really don't know what this is, but it's like some kind of blanket, but not blanket because it's too thin to be a blanket, but it's gorgeous stuff the same. Let me just find that spoiler card. Okay, this is the James and Cordelia tapestry. It's perfect to hang up in your room. I would just say it's probably some kind of, see, I wouldn't really class this as something I would use because it's not a blanket. If it was a blanket I would have used it, but the way it is, you just have to hang it somewhere, I guess, which I probably won't. I'd probably just leave it in a box and not ruin it. This, I was so excited to see this. So this is the Mortal Cup. I'm just so excited to open this. So it says, the Mortal Cup, officially licensed from the Shadowhunter series by Cassandra Clare. Oh my god, I'm so excited to open this. On the side it says, it's the Mortal Cup, Jace, not the Mortal Toilet Bowl. I love this. Okay, let me open it. Let's open it up. And this was probably the most exciting thing that I was looking forward to receiving in this box. So it's literally covered. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. It's supposed to be a replica of the Mortal Cup. So, ta-da! This is so cute. Oh, there's an actual like acrylic bowl in it. So that is the Mortal Cup. It's gorgeous. I love how it looks handmade. So I think it's just really cute. Oh my god, this is just really adorable, and any Shadowhunter fan would love this. So I'm really happy with that. Let me see if I can give you a 360. So you can tell it's painted on, so it probably is pretty much handmade. So that's really cute. Okay, next in the box is this. Let's get it out of the bag. This looks like a book sleeve, because I don't have one of these and I can tell that it's a book sleeve. Let's open it up. Oh, this is really cute. So this, I have no idea who these people are because I haven't read the book yet. So is this James? So this is James, who I think is one of Will's sons? Could it be? By the looks of it, looks like James Herondale, and I'm actually seeing it on here. It's James book sleeve. So Herondale, anyone who likes Herondales will love this. So this looks quite snuffy. Oh, it's a zippered book sleeve, so you can put it in. This looks quite cozy and it's black inside. And we have a little quote here that says, "Do you expect fear? Then you do not know my father, you do not know my mother, you do not know my family, or me." So I'm guessing that has to do with the Herondale. I know I haven't read it, so I can't really say, but this is so nice, and the quality is really good as well. So that is something I will use, so that I'm glad that there's one of those in there, because I've been dying to get my hands on a book sleeve cover for ages. Next, Chain of Gold Collector's Edition wooden bookmark. Oh, that's cool. So they added a bookmark in here, which is great. And wooden, that is interesting. Okay, so this looks like Cordelia, because she has red hair. So that's the wooden bookmark. It's quite thin. I feel like this would be easy, like snapped in half somehow if I'm a bit too forceful. And on the other side it says, "People are only invincible in books, Cassandra Clare." Now, if I'm honest, this side of the printing looks very blurred. I don't know if there's anyone else who has received this blurred, but that's just my opinion. I feel like the quality on this side should have been better, but that's just me just by looking at it. It looks quite blurred, like even the Cassandra Clare, the writing where it says Cassandra Clare looks very blurry. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. Like, I feel it's a bit blurred, but that's just me. Okay, next is a print, and this looks like the boys, and I think from what I read, these are there's like a bromance kind of thing. So there is James, Matthew, Thomas and Christopher, and these are all the kids from the Infinite Device, which is so cool. So there we go, and it's double printed, so that's cool. I'm so excited. Okay, and we have the best for last, obviously, which is the book itself. Now, they did show us previews of what it's supposed to be like and what it's supposed to look like. Now, I can see that with the glare. I can see what it looks like. I'm so excited. Okay, let's open, because we're all waiting to see what it looks like. Okay, shall we have a look? Shall we do a reveal? Oh my god, it looks amazing! Ta-da! So this is the FAIRYLOOT Collector's Edition book, Chain of Gold by Cassandra Clare. It's black, hardbound. Oh my god, this is so cute and so gorgeous. I just love the black with gold foil. I just think it looks amazing, and it goes really well with the collector's edition of the 10-year anniversary. Now, they're not the exact same in the front, on the sides, but still looks cool. I love the spine. The spine looks really nice. and at the back it says love cuts deeper than any blade, so that's really cool. And that's what it looks like in the front. Oh my god, I'm so excited with this. So it's part of the Lost Hours series. Oh, that's a really nice blush pink. So that's blush pink inside. We have a cute graphic, the first page. I'm guessing those are all the girls and the boys. Ooh, I was expecting a signature, but that's not a signature. That looks like a stamp, so I'm guessing that's just what they provided in the book. So I don't think that doesn't look like a signature, that looks like a stamp. So maybe Cassandra Clare is doing stamps now with a pre-stamped like signature. I don't know, but that's just me. So yeah, let's see if there is anything else that's different in here. Let's see. There's a tale at the back, which is a bonus story featuring Will and Tessa, which is called Fairy Tale of London. Now that's interesting to read, so I'm definitely gonna be excited to read that. And best yet, I don't think I showed you guys this, sprayed edges, black sprayed edges with the sword, and the sword is gorgeous as well. I'm not sure if that's the mortal sword. Thinking about it, could it be the mortal sword? I'm not sure, but that's that. So that's the box for £35. Personally, I think that's a really good deal. The most things that I really liked was the book sleeve, and I loved the Mortal Cup from the Mortal Instruments series. So for me, these three won it for me. The only downfall is this wasn't actually signed. Obviously this is like a little stamp that they had in it, but for £35 I can't really go wrong. But I think I would have preferred if it was signed by the author, but that's just me. I wonder if anything else from before, like any collector's editions from before us of Cassandra Clare, if they were signed before, but obviously this one looks like a stamp, so that's just me. I'm a bit bummed that it's not actually signed, but it's a stamp. But nonetheless, as long as it's like authentic, that's all I really care about, and I'm happy to have received it. Now I can actually read it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a lovely day wherever you're in the world, and I'll see you shortly. Bye everyone.